In this tap dance mini lesson tutorial, you're going to learn an 8 count from my Swingset tap dance combination, and you'll also get some technical pointers. If you want to learn the first half of the combination and download the music, click on the link below. And to learn the entire combination, consider becoming a paid member to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump in. Starting with the right foot, you have flap, heel, step, heel, flap, heel, step, heel. I've got my left foot going to the back first on that step heel. 6, ready, go. Flap, heel, step, heel, flap, heel, step, heel. From there, 2 digs. Dig, dig, and then touch and stamp. There's no weight on the dig, no weight here. There's no weight on the touch. But on the stamp, we are going to shift our weight over to that right leg. Let's put it all together. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. Flap, heel, step, heel, flap, heel, step, heel, dig, dig, touch, and stamp. I'm going to roll that again and give you some counts. 6, ready, go. A 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 5. 7. On that first part, a lot of people have the heels kind of on the weak side. I can barely hear them, so put a little pressure. Don't go crazy. Put a little pressure into the heel to get some volume. Heel, 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 heel. And that'll make it sound a little bit better and even out the volume levels. Hopefully you're having a great time. Let's hit it one more time. Actually, let's hit it with music. We'll start a little bit under tempo, -8%. So you can get the hang of it at the slower speed, then we will work you up to real speed. Here we go! 5, 6, ready, go! Hey, that's quick, huh? Again, 6, ready, go! One more time this speed. 5, 6, ready, go! Nice! Beautiful, I'm going to speed it up. That was -8%. I'm going to drop it to -4%. We're getting close to real speed. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. Nice. Again, 6, ready, go. One more. 5, 6, ready, hey. And I'm going to jump it up all the way to the real speed. Have fun. Feel free to add your own style as well. 5, 6, ready, go! Yes, again! 5, 6, ready, go! Come on! 5, 6, 7, 8. So that last one, I had a little body level. You can take the first 2 up, 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 down, down, back, up, up, down, down. That gives a little more flavor. All right, we're doing it real speed. One more time and see how you do. One more time. 5, 6, 7, hey! Nice, again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, my friends. Let's look at the entire combination from the front. Thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. If you did, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and that you dropped a comment down below. Anything you put there is helpful to us. Again, if you want to learn the next 3 8 counts of the combination plus download the music all for free, click on the link in the description below. And if you'd like to learn the entire combination, that's 8 counts, you can consider becoming a paid member to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for tapping with me. Be sure to hop on over to unitedtaps.com when you get a chance for a ton of great tap dance content. I, of course, am Howell from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.